Question 1. Which prophet was swallowed by a whale? A. Prophet Musa alayhi salam. B. Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. C. Prophet Isa alayhi salam. D. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam.
Correct answer. B. Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. Explanation. Prophet Yunus alayhi salam was swallowed by a whale as a test from Allah. He made the famous dua, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka, inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Quran 2187.
2. What is the first thing Allah created? A. The throne, Arsh. B. The pen, Kalam. C. The light of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. D. The earth.
Correct answer. B. The pen, Kalam. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the first thing Allah created was the pen, and He commanded it to write everything that will happen. Tirmidhi.
Wow, you're off to a great start. Here's your first surprise gift. Look at this.
MashaAllah, great work, kids. May Allah reward you in Jannah.
Question 3.
How many Makki and Madani surahs are there in the Quran? A. 86, Makki, 28, Madani. B. 89, Makki, 25, Madani. C. 87, Makki, 27, Madani. D. 90, Makki, 24, Madani.
Correct answer. A. 86, Makki, 28, Madani. Explanation. Makki surahs were revealed before the Hijrah and focus on Tawheed and the hereafter, while Madani surahs discuss loss and social issues.
Question 4.
What was the name of the treaty signed between the Muslims and Quraysh in 6 AH? A. Treaty of Badr. B. Treaty of Hudaybiyah. C. Treaty of Uhud. D. Treaty of Makkah.
Correct answer. B. Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Explanation. This treaty was signed between the Prophet, peace be upon him, and the Quraysh to allow Muslims to perform Umrah the following year. It was a test of a patience, but led to the conquest of Makkah later.
Amazing job, you're learning so fast. Here's your next surprise.
Question 5.
How many times is the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned in the Quran? A. 3 times. B. 4 times. C. 5 times. D. 7 times.
Correct answer. B. 4 times. The name Muhammad appears 4 times in the Quran. Surah Ali Imran 3:144, Surah Muhammad 47:22, Surah Al-Fath 48:29, and Surah Al-Ahzab 33:40.
What was the first battle fought in Islam? A. Battle of Uhud. B. Battle of Khandaq. C. Battle of Badr. D. Battle of Hunain.
Correct answer. C. Battle of Badr. Explanation. The Battle of Badr, 2 Salah, was the first battle between the Muslims and Quraysh, where Allah granted victory to the Muslims despite them being outnumbered.
MashaAllah,
You're a genius. Look at this.
آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق.
Please subscribe, like, and share.
يا رمضان شوق القلب باد فعد بالله تشدو والتقينا وطعام وتوقيفي